She had just 1 hour to learn video editing. From this to this. But there's a problem. She's never edited anything before. This is Sarah. No experience, no idea what editing software even looks like. Cuts, transitions, timelines. Right now, they mean nothing to her. But in the next 60 seconds, she has to turn raw footage into something watchable. The clock starts now. Sarah opens the editing software and immediately she is lost. Tracks, buttons, panels everywhere. Nothing is labeled in a way that makes sense to her. For the first few minutes, she doesn't edit anything. She just looks around, trying to understand where to even begin. Finally, she drags her first clip onto the timeline. It's too long, too slow, too boring. So she makes her first cut. It works, but it doesn't feel right. She cuts again and again. Now it feels too fast. She tries adding music. The beat doesn't match. The timing feels off. 30 minutes are gone, and nothing looks great yet. Cuts feel random. Transitions look forced. The video has no flow. This is where it gets frustrating. Every change makes things worse. She starts overthinking everything. Then she notices something. The videos she watched earlier, they weren't using complicated effects. They were just cutting at the right moments. No more edits, better timing. So she starts again. This time, she focuses only on timing. She removes the boring parts, matches clips with the music, cuts tighter, and slowly it starts to feel like a real video. 10 minutes left, 5 minutes left. She adjusts the last few cuts, fixes timing, makes one final change. The hour is over, and this is what she made. Is it perfect? No. But is it better than where she started? Definitely. Because video editing wasn't about effects, it was about knowing what to cut and when. 1 hour ago, she didn't know where to start. Now she does. What should she try to learn in 1 hour next? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.